Welcome to another tutorial of the super simple Axex Dental software. Today we're going to be discussing some of the elements on your appointments page, especially those having to do with navigation. Over here on the left hand side you have the day being displayed. In this case, Christmas Day, December the 25th. If you want to go back to today, and we will be discussing these elements down here, you can click right here and it will take you back to today's date, that of Wednesday, September 10 of 2014. This area down here is just a simple calendar that will allow you to select different dates. You may advance each month at a time through this upper arrows right here, back and forth, and then select the day that you wish to see from that calendar. Here at the bottom, we have some icons to help you deal with a few of the common things that you do with your appointments. Over here on the left, we have a help menu. If you forget anything of one of the tutorials that we have given, you can always come over here and it will explain to you what each one of these elements do. Right here, highlighting those areas of importance. You can click over here down at the bottom, close this help screen. The next button is for creating a new patient. So let's say that you want to create a new patient, but you don't necessarily want to set up an appointment. You will be able to create a new patient when you create a new appointment if you choose to do that. But for those are customers that just like to create a patient first, you can always do it through this icon right here. Please note that there's some fields that are necessary. You'll see that all of these, including a telephone number, so that you may be able to contact that client again. It will not let you save unless you have those required fields. Next, a button that we already showed you that takes you back to today's date. The next one is a print menu. It will show you, it will print out your appointments for that particular day. If you're using a tablet, hopefully you're using tablets, you're moving away from paper, and this will be something that you will not need to use at all. But if you're still using paper, that's a way of being able to print that and maybe give it to an assistant or a doctor who wants to see what their appointments will be for the day. The last button serves a dual purpose. You can create an appointment. Once you've created an appointment, you can drag it to the trash can to delete that appointment. But also it allows you to see those deleted appointments, a history of it. And what this is going to allow you to do is catch maybe those appointments of people who have said, hey, I want to reschedule that appointment. You can come look over here and you will be able to see what are those appointments that have been deleted, what was the reason, and maybe catch some of those patients that are falling through the cracks. Call them back, be proactive, and call them and say, hey, you wanted to have another appointment for this week, wanted to know what time. These are the times that we have available this week. So that's this basic area over here to the left. To the right, you have your search bar, and you can start searching for a patient over here. And of course, over here, I only have one patient, that is that of myself. And you can select that patient to be taken to the patient's claim. This area at the top shows you all the different modules of the software, including appointments, charts, and accounts, your main ones, and claims and reports as well. Quick link to those items. Live support is just that. You can select it in order to be able to talk to us directly. You don't even have to pick up the phone. We're available through 1-800 number. We're available through texting. And this is just yet another way that you can contact us if you're having some issues. Finally, down at the bottom, you have what we call the shelf. In this area, you're going to be able to see each patient, each area. You can take an appointment and drag it here to let, for example, Dr. Smith know that he has a patient waiting for him. You will see them from left to right. The first person that was added will be on the left. The most recently added will be to your right. When you're done with an appointment, you can move it to another section, say right here into the waiting room. And when you're done with them, you can just simply drag them outside this area to delete them, completely remove them from that bar. So this has been a very quick navigation of your accounts appointments page. Join us again for another tutorial where we will discuss some other elements of the software.